Need to resize a video quickly on your Windows PC? Whether it's for YouTube, Instagram, or to save space. This video shows you the easiest way in just minutes. I'll show you two simple methods, one using a free tool and one using built-in Windows software. Method 1. Use VLC Media Player. Open VLC. From the top menu, click on Media and select Convert, Save. Click on Add and select the file you want to resize. Click Convert, Save. Select the desired option from the Profile section. Then click on the symbol you see and select the resolution from the Video Codec section. Enter the desired video size and click Save. Select the location to save the file and click Start. Method 2. Use Handbrake. Open Handbrake and import your file. From the Dimension section, go to the Resolution and Scaling section and select the desired size. You can also change many settings through this tool. After selecting the location to save the file, click Start Encode. As bonus tip, if you want to compress the video even more, try lowering the bitrate or resolution. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe NeuronVM YouTube channel for more PC tips like this.